Welcome back to AI for Everyone. Today, we're diving into how creativity plays a huge role when working with AI, especially when it comes to making music, solving problems, or creating cool projects. And we've got Maya, a super talented music artist, here to show us how it works. Thanks for joining us, Maya.
Thanks for having me. I'm excited to show how being creative with artificial intelligence can totally change what you get back, no matter what you're working on.
Exactly. So we all know AI is a powerful tool, but it really depends on how we ask for things, right? When you first started using tools like ChatGPT or Claude for your music, what was your experience like?
Totally. I realized that if I wanted better results, I had to get creative with what I asked for. Instead of just saying, write a song, I thought about the emotions I wanted, the kind of story I wanted to tell, and even the music style. The more specific I got, the better the artificial intelligences like ChatGPT or Claude responded.
Just a basic request gives you a basic result, but that changed once you got more creative, right?
That's the power of creativity, and it's not just for storytelling. It works in all kinds of situations. Let me show you how I use this for music. I asked ChatGPT to help me write lyrics, but I gave it a lot of details. I wanted a song that was inspiring and catchy, something that could uplift people going through tough times. Here's what the ChatGPT helped me create.
When the clouds roll in and the sky turns gray, we'll find the sun again come one day. With every step we rise and climb through the darkest days, we'll find our shine. We'll keep moving, we'll keep pushing through. With hearts unbroken, nothing we can't do. We'll light the way with hope and fight. Together we'll soar, reaching higher and higher.
Wow, those lyrics are amazing. And that's all from being creative with how you prompted the AI. Now let's give our viewers a chance to try this for themselves. Everyone watching at home or in class, if you've got an AI tool ready, follow along with us. Maya, why don't we start with a basic example for them to try?
Great idea. If you have access to an artificial intelligence tool like ChatGPT or Claude, try this. Ask it, write a story about a dog. You'll probably get something simple, right?
Exactly. Now try this. Here's your challenge. Instead of just saying, write a song, get more creative. Say something like, write a song about a brave dog who rescues a family from a storm in a small village. You're giving the AI more details, and it'll give you a more interesting story. Go ahead, give it a try and see the difference.
For kids working on school projects, artificial intelligence can be super helpful, but only if you get creative. If you need help with a science project and you ask artificial intelligence, give me facts about space, you'll get a general answer. But if you ask something like, explain how astronauts train for space missions and what challenges they face in space, you'll get more specific and interesting info that you can actually use.
That's great. Everyone, try this. Ask ChatGPT, Claude, or any AI you're using to write a poem. You'll probably get something short and simple. But now let's challenge you. Ask AI to write a poem about the first day of spring, with flowers blooming and kids playing outside. You're adding more creativity, so you'll get something more colorful and interesting. Try it now.
Yep, and it's all about experimenting. If one prompt doesn't give you what you want, try again, but add more details. The more you experiment, the better your results will be.
That's a perfect example. Kids, you can try this now. Ask AI for basic facts about space, then ask it the more creative version like Maya mentioned. See the difference? It's all about how you ask.
How about this? Everyone, think of something you're curious about. It can be anything. First, ask artificial intelligence a basic question, like, tell me about cars, or how do plants grow? Then get creative. Ask, how do electric cars work? Or, what's the fastest growing plant in the world, and why? You'll see how much better the answers get when you add that creativity.
For adults, it's the same thing. Let's say you're running a business and need ideas. You could ask it, how do I get more customers? And you get general ideas. But try asking something like, AI, how can I get more customers for my eco-friendly clothing store? Now you're giving it context, and AI will give you ideas tailored to your specific needs. That's so practical.
That's so practical. Adults can experiment with artificial intelligence by asking it to solve real-world problems creatively. It could be anything from generating new business ideas to finding unique ways to connect with customers.
Let's give our adult viewers a chance to try this. If you're working on something for your job or a project, ask AI a general question. Then, follow up with a more creative, detailed version. You'll see how the answer changes. It'll be more specific and useful.
And another real-world example is cooking. Let's say a family wants to plan dinner, but they want something new and fun. If they just ask artificial intelligence for dinner ideas, they'll get the usual stuff. But if they ask artificial intelligence, give us a fun dinner recipe using chicken, rice, and vegetables that kids will love, they'll get a creative and exciting recipe to try out.
That's great. Families watching at home, you can do this too. Ask for basic dinner ideas, then challenge AI with something more creative and specific. It's all about giving AI more to work with, so it can help you better.
Yep. Whether it's for a school project, work, or even just planning a meal, the more creative you get with how you use artificial intelligence, the more valuable the results will be.
That's perfect advice. Before we wrap up, Maya, what's one final challenge we can give our viewers to help them get creative with AI?
I'd say think about something in your everyday life that could use a little creativity. It could be a problem you're trying to solve, a hobby, or even just for fun. Then challenge artificial intelligence to help you with it, but be specific and creative in how you ask. You'll be surprised at what you get back.
Thank you, Maya. And remember, whether you're writing songs, working on a school project, or cooking dinner, creativity is the key to unlocking the full potential of AI. Like I always say, a basic AI will only cost a couple of $100, but a one-of-a-kind AI that's creative will cost much more. The value of creativity really makes the difference. This episode of AI for Everyone was called Think Outside the Bot. We hope you enjoyed it. Before we go, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below with something new you learned today, or ask us any questions about AI. We'll be checking, and we'd love to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more episodes of AI for Everyone. Peace and love, everyone. See you next time on AI for Everyone. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments.